How does Iran, battered by airstrikes and sanctions, still strike at U.S. allies across the Middle East? The answer: a vast network of hidden tunnels and bunkers, sheltering a new generation of missiles, like the FATA hypersonic missile, capable of outmaneuvering even the most advanced air defenses. This is the story of how Iran's underground missile strategy and cutting-edge technology are challenging Western military dominance. Why haven't Iran's missile forces been wiped out? Geography and ingenuity. Iran has carved massive tunnel networks inside its mountains, vast underground complexes, reinforced and hidden from satellites and bombs. Entire missile brigades, launchers, stockpiles, command centers are shielded deep underground. When Iran wants to launch, crews roll out missiles, fire, and vanish before retaliation. This shoot-and-scoot tactic makes it nearly impossible for adversaries to pinpoint launch sites in real time. Even after losing air defenses above ground, Iran's missile threat endures. We've seen missiles appear out of nowhere, striking targets hundreds of kilometers away. It's a cat-and-mouse game, and Iran's been remarkably good at staying ahead. Hiding missiles is one thing, but Iran's FATA hypersonic missile is another. Hypersonic means speeds over Mach 5, with the ability to maneuver unpredictably mid-flight. This makes interception by systems like Iron Dome or Arrow nearly impossible. The FATA can reach Tel Aviv or Riyadh in minutes, and Western intelligence confirms its existence. Suddenly, every airbase and command center is vulnerable. The psychological impact is huge. Defenses that once seemed impenetrable are now at risk. Iran's hypersonic capability forces adversaries to rethink their entire strategy. The balance of power is shifting. Iran's naval strategy turns weaknesses into strengths in the Persian Gulf. Instead of a massive navy, Iran uses swarms of fast attack boats, disguised cargo ships, and armed drones. These nimble vessels can ambush larger warships, launch missiles, and vanish among civilian traffic. Drones, both for surveillance and as kamikaze weapons, add another layer of threat. The U.S. Navy must constantly guard against attacks from all directions. Iran's goal make intervention so costly and chaotic, it's not worth the risk. The Strait of Hormuz is the world's oil choke point, and Iran's economic weapon. By threatening to mine these waters, Iran can disrupt global oil shipments and send prices soaring. Thousands of naval mines deployed by small boats or disguised vessels can halt shipping overnight. Even the threat forces navies to clear mines and insurers to raise rates, costing billions. Iran doesn't need to sink ships. Just the credible threat is enough to shake the world. Iran's 2,000-kilometer coastline is lined with mobile missile launchers, hidden and constantly on the move. These launchers can fire and relocate within minutes, turning the coast into a deadly missile trap. U.S. warships in the Gulf are always within range, but rarely able to strike back effectively. The mountainous terrain gives Iran the upper hand. This tactic creates constant uncertainty for U.S. commanders. In warfare, uncertainty is as powerful as firepower. Iran's reach extends through advanced drones and proxy forces across Iraq, Syria, Lebanon, and Yemen. By supplying allies with drones and missiles, Iran strikes targets while maintaining plausible deniability. U.S. bases, Saudi oil fields, and logistics hubs are all vulnerable to proxy attacks. This network allows Iran to project power far beyond its borders. Attacks can come from anywhere, anytime, keeping adversaries off balance. Modern warfare is now about networks, not just armies. Iran's strength lies in its multi-domain approach. Underground missile cities, hypersonic weapons, asymmetric naval tactics, mining key waterways, mobile launchers, and proxy networks. Each element alone might not challenge U.S. power, but together, they create a web of threats that's hard to counter. Even after heavy bombardment, Iran can still hit back, hard. This messy, unpredictable asymmetric strategy deters intervention and raises the cost of conflict. Iran ensures it can always strike back from the shadows. Thanks for watching.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.